Davos at the Hub Culture Davos Pavilion upstairs in the Ice House, an amazing creation that came together with the help of SABIC.
Absolutely, thank you.
Yes, joining me now is Bert Groothuis from SABIC and the Director of Sustainability. This building that we're in is really made of SABIC material.
Yes, it is.
Yes, and there's a story around sustainability with the building. Can you tell us a little bit about what SABIC is doing in this space?
Yeah, no, certainly. In 2014, we at SABIC and I met Bill, and we wanted to create something unique, something really powerful, that is all about sustainability and the circular economy. So together, in close collaboration, we built this ice house. And I'm so glad and so excited that finally, this ice house is here really in the center of Davos. So.
Yes, and so William McDonough from McDonough Innovation and McDonough Partners worked with you to develop the concept behind this. And I think what's unique about this structure is that it's made of something called Wonder Frame, which is aluminum, but the walls, the structure, the skin of the building is polycarbonate.
That's correct.
Right?
Yes, it is for the large part a multi-wall polycarbonate, so it has channels, and therefore it's very lightweight, but it's also very insulating. So it has the properties of a house that is needed. So you got insulation, you got lightweighting, and on top of that, because that is not really unique, I think what adds to the uniqueness is really that it is used to assemble and disassemble in a very short time. And I think that makes a circular economy, a constant movement of material, actually the reality.
And as Director of Sustainability, that's the sustainability story with this building. This is something that can reappear somewhere else?
Absolutely. That is the whole idea, to disassemble it and assemble it at places where it is needed.
Okay, so SABIC is a very large company. You guys are working on infrastructure, on building development, on everything from automotive to, the furniture here with Cartel. How are you guys embedding sustainability into the DNA of SABIC?
We aim to, as you rightfully put it, embed it into our strategy by thinking every single time, how can we make this more sustainable than it is today? How can we make things better than we ever did before? And of course, we take in profit, people, and environment into the account. So that is important for us. We do this in our new projects, in our research project, but also in our daily business. Mm-hmm. So we try to do this every single day, making it every single day just a bit better.
Right. And then let's talk a little bit for a second about your involvement here in Davos. So SABIC is a strategic partner for the World Economic Forum. How is that relationship growing and developing in the context of this structure? Because this is really something new that I think ties into the theme of this year's forum, which is the fourth industrial revolution.
Yes. To me, there's a couple of key words that are important for the Ice House, for SABIC, and also for the World Economic Forum. And the one thing I think is important, of course, is innovation, but also collaboration. More and more, certainly with the circular economy thinking in mind, you cannot innovate just by yourself. So you need the collaboration, you need thought leadership to make something like this, but also in a broader perspective. So that type of collaboration is needed, and as you mentioned, we did found that in McDonough.
Right. So William McDonough, Bert, thank you very much. We're here at the Ice House in Davos, beautiful snowy Davos, 2016.